Any issues, any doubts? And happy Shivratri, Mahashivratri to all of you. Thank you, Raghu.
Same to you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Happy Shivratri, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Same to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Let me share my screen, guys. Okay. So the first important thing I just want to share with you. So yesterday itself, I have shared all the recordings, like yesterday's recordings. 3 classes will be there, right? Yesterday, 3 classes recordings I just shared with all of you. So you don't get email notification. Okay. So what you have to do, sir, how to check it? Whatever email ID you gave it to me. Okay. The registered email ID with me, log into that email ID. Okay. Like this, just log into that email ID, go to the Google Drive. Okay. Go to the Google Drive and then click on shared with me. This option, click on shared with me. So what and all videos I just shared with you, you will get all the videos. You can see those videos. From today onwards, everything will be like that only. Yesterday itself, it was started. Again, you don't get any email notification that I have shared with you. There is a challenge with the email notification. It is treating like a spam. So that's why I'm not sending any email notification once you receive the videos. Simply every day, just logged into your email ID, whatever email ID you gave it to me, logged into that, go to the Google Drive, just select shared with me. Whatever videos I just shared with you, and now also you can check it if possible. Okay, you can check whether you got the videos or not. You can please confirm now. Okay, we'll discuss. Right, please confirm now whether you got those videos, yesterday's videos or not. Okay, so again, you have to click on shared with me. Okay, so you don't get email notification again. Don't tell I did not receive any videos and all. Please, before asking me, please check this one shared with me. If you don't receive, then let me know. Okay, and again, sometimes the videos will go down. It will be completely, it will be go down. Okay, just go down and check it clearly. It will be there. Okay, why? Because I'm giving access to all of you, so that definitely you're going to get those videos. Okay, and videos won't be uploaded to the YouTube, guys. Don't wait for the YouTube upload. Directly these videos shared with you. Okay, guys, and these videos I'm giving you as of now. I'm giving you without read access. I mean, without download access. You can watch it how many days you want. You can watch it, guys. Okay, so subscription will be there for you. It will keep active, so you can watch for the next 1 year. In case if that needs, I'll extend that active, like that subscription also. Okay, clear, guys? Anyone having any issue? That's why Usha, you didn't receive any email. You won't receive any email. Go to the Google Drive, select shared with me. No one will receive any email regarding videos. Guys, anyone checked that one? Anyone checked that one? The videos, whether you got the videos or not?
Yes, sir.
So you got the videos, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you got the videos, everyone will get the videos. Just again, check it clearly, Usha. Just go down. And again, what email ID you gave it to me, just logged into that email ID. Okay, so make sure you just log into the same email ID, or you are in another email ID. Sometimes you will be logged into another email ID. You might check, okay, you don't receive anything. So what email ID you gave it to me, the registered email ID, logged into that email ID, go to Google Drive, select shared with me option. You can see those videos, guys. Okay. Yes. Any issues, any doubts, guys, please.
Sir, I
got it, sir.
document or all, sir.
Thank you. Yes, please.
బ్యాకప్ డాక్యుమెంట్ రాలేదు సార్. మీరు ఓన్లీ వీడియోస్ వచ్చినాయి.
మల్లేష్, నేను అందరికి షేర్ చేశాను, మీకు రాకపోవడం ఉండదు. దయచేసి స్పామ్ లోనో ట్రాష్ లోనో వెతకండి, ఎందుకంటే ఇది స్కిప్ అయ్యే ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి కాదు. ఓకేనా? నేనైతే అందరికి షేర్ చేశాను. ఒకరికి వచ్చి ఒకరు రాకపోవడం ఉండదు. పోతే అందరికి పోదు, లేదంటే అందరికి పోతుంది. మైట్ బి ఎక్కడో కిందన ఎక్కడో లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోయి ఉండొచ్చు. ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఓకేనా? 99% ఉంటుంది. రాకపోతే నేను మళ్ళీ షేర్ చేస్తాను. ఏముంది, డాక్యుమెంటే కదా. బట్ ఒకసారి గో త్రూ ద హోల్ ఆల్ మెయిల్ కొట్టండి. ఇక్కడ మీకు జీమెయిల్ లో ఆల్ మెయిల్ ఉంటుంది కదా సైడ్ న. గైస్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీరు ఆల్ మెయిలే కొట్టండి. ఓకేనా? గో టు మోర్, go to all mail. It is very important, guys. Very important. Sometimes interview related stuff also you'll go to the all mail. Why? Because this Naukri platforms and all, okay, company platforms, company email IDs and all, your Gmail will treat it as a bulk email. Okay, sometimes bulk emails will go to all mail. Sometimes it will go to promotions. We have 3 tabs, right? Promotion, inbox, promotions. Like that, we'll have 3 tabs. Very important, guys. This one, sometimes it will go to your offer letters, also will go to promotions tabs, guys. So only don't concentrate only on primary inbox. Very important thing, very important tip also. Go to more, select all mail. You can see whatever mails are there here. You don't believe, sometimes the offer letters also will go to the spam. Okay. So like that's a lot of students miss their opportunity. Very important, guys. Always try to check all the boxes. It's a personal experience, guys. Please take care of it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any questions, please?
We will discuss on yesterday's homework, sir, you gave
Yes,
on
yes,
behalf
please.
of SQL
Yes,
Server.
please continue. Yeah.
So on behalf of SQL Server, who will take the backups? Means
Mhm.
it's not agent, sir.
Uh,
I have not on it.
yes, who will take the backup on behalf of SQL Server? Or you just created a backup job on behalf of this backup job? Who will take the backup? Anyone
Agent.
got the answer? Agent? No.
Okay, okay.
Who will take the backup on behalf of your SQL Server? Sanjeev? Very simple question. You already know the answer of this question. We have already discussed also. Guess it, guys. Just guess it.
Job.
Maintenance
jobs.
Next. No maintenance plans, no maintenance plans, no maintenance jobs. Simply you just created a job. That's it. Forget about maintenance plan. We can create job without maintenance plan also, right? You just created a backup job. Once it was invoked, who is going to take the backup of that job? Guess it, guys. What else? Guess it. No problem. Guess it.
Use some clues, sir.
Hmm?
Services.
Services. Close it to the answer.
There are the one services.
Mm-hmm.
Service agent, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Service broker, sir.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Third party tool.
Mm-hmm. No. On behalf of the SQL Server, who will read the data, who will write the data to the disk?
Lazy writer.
No. Direct statement.
VSS writer.
No. Direct statement, I gave it to you. On behalf of SQL Server, who will read the
SQL
data
Server.
from the disk? Who will write the data to the disk?
Sir, VSS writer.
That's okay. That's okay. That is a service. Okay.
Service.
Services can't log
Service
into the
account.
folder.
Service account. Service account.
Services can't log into the folder, Sanjeev, right? Services can't
Yes.
read the data, can't write the data. On behalf of services,
No,
who
sir.
will be responsible?
Service account.
Yes, service account. Okay, your service account. Which service account will take the backup? Then again.
Sir, by default is network service account. But if you are using to the customization, if you are create to the
there are
one
two
login,
service
then
accounts. So SQL Server service account, SQL Server agent service account.
System.
Which service account will take the backup?
Agent service account.
The agent service account will take the backup. Okay,
Yes.
if you initiate the backup jobs, okay, agent service account will take the backups, guys. Again, I'm saying services can't log. See, backup means write operation. Agree? Write operation
Correct.
means it has to log into the folder. It has to log into the drive. Then only it can write. So who can log in? Any user only can log in. No services, no softwares can log into the folders. No services, what we can say, no services, no softwares can log into the drives. Okay, only user. That user can be yours, your account. That user can be a service account. Very simple question. Always remember, when you are initiating a backup job on behalf of your agent service account will take the backup. Why we discussed? Why? Because sometimes your backups will be failed due to permission issues, access denied issues in the OS level. What is the solution?
Give the permission, sir.
How?
Sir, create to the logins.
Right click
Database level. There are the one DB underscore backup. One roles. If you are assigned, otherwise is
So for example, if this is running, if this service is running, okay, batch 40 is running with the customized service account, okay, SQL prod SVC. Imagine, okay, so this is your batch 40 database engine service, and this is your batch 40 agent service. So you have to check what is the service account. Usually anti-service by default, they will have permissions, okay, not default service account. If you are using customized service accounts, you can see here SQL prod SVC, right? So for this account, to which drive you are taking backup? I am taking backup to C drive. Okay, chalo, go to C drive, go to the properties, go to the security. Okay, go to the security tab, click edit, add, click on add, give your service account name here, SQL underscore PRD underscore SVC or SQL SVC ACT, whatever you want. What is your service account? So agent service account. That's why sometimes there is a chance your database engine service account is different, your agent service account is different. Okay, SQL underscore AGT SVC account. Okay, SVC ACT. So like that, you have to give your account name, check names, make sure this account is already created. Now if I click check names, I will get the error. Why? Because this account is not there. Okay, so that's why I'll get the error, and click OK. And then once you just clicked OK, give full control on the drive. Okay, so that your service account can take the backups to that particular drive. Clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Sometimes you will get this error, your backup will be failed due to access denied. Access denied means the service account doesn't have permissions to write the data on that particular drive. Service account doesn't have permissions to write the data. Backup is a write operation. So service account doesn't have permissions to write the data to this drive. What you have to do? You have to give the permissions. How can we give the permissions? Simply go to the particular drive or folder. It might be a folder also. Okay, go to the folder, right click on that particular folder on this drive. It doesn't have permissions. Imagine, just click on the properties and again go to the security tab. Now you have to click on edit. Okay, or else simply everyone click add. Just type everyone, you will get it, guys. Everyone. Okay, everyone means everyone will get access on this drive. Everyone, you can see here. Click OK, give full control, allow, apply. Okay, in this way you can fix that issue. Access denied issue while writing the backups, you will get this kind of errors, guys. In the SQL Server agent, in the job history, you can see if you got access is denied on so and so folder, how to troubleshoot it, guys. Check which service account is using. Okay, so what is the service account used by your SQL Server agent, and give the access. Okay, and give the access. In that way you can fix that issue, guys. Clear? Any issues, any doubts, guys, please?
Clear, sir. Okay.
Done. Okay, so what we can do now, I'll show you how to uninstall the SQL Server, guys. Then we'll jump into the upgradation. Yesterday we discussed about the upgradation, right? So demo is pending, right? How to upgrade the SQL Server demo is pending, right? So first I'll remove one instance. It's not part of the upgradation. I don't have enough free space in the C drive as discussed. How much free space should be there for patching and upgradation?
3 GB, sir.
Patching is 3 GB.
3 GB free space should be there, right? So I don't have 3 GB free space. I have only 1.26 GB free space is there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, yeah, it was fixed.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Just now turned on. Are you still see that icon?
No.
Okay, done. Okay. So that's okay. Right here, I don't have enough free space in the C drive. So definitely my upgradation will fail. So what I'm doing, I'm just uninstalling one instance. But don't think, guys, uninstallation of SQL Server is not part of your particular upgradation. Please mute it. Why I'm getting this disturbance? Lot of disturbance I'm getting, guys. Please mute it. Right, done. Thank you. Okay, so uninstallation of SQL Server is not part of your particular upgradation. Okay, to upgrade, I don't have enough free space in the C drive. I have 4 instances in this machine. So that's why I'm uninstalling one instance, guys. That's it. That is the reason. Of course, you have to know, right, how to uninstall SQL Server. I'm just sharing with you how to uninstall the SQL Server. That's it. Okay, guys, uninstallation of SQL Server is an important task, not regularly. Rarely you will get these kind of tasks. What you have to do, first you have to raise a change request. Make sure you have a proper approvals. Uninstallation means it will be gone. It will be gone. Okay, so make sure you have a proper approvals. Okay, once we don't initiate any uninstallation process, customers. Okay, last time Madhavi is application owner, right? Madhavi will initiate, hey, we are not using this server. Please initiate a decommission process. Like that, Madhavi has to send an email to the DBA team. Based on that, Madhavi has to raise a request. Once Madhavi raised the request, then we'll create a change request. Why? Because uninstallation of SQL Server is a change request, needs change request, and it needs approvals, proper approvals. So once Madhavi raised a change request, what we are going to do, guys, we once change is approved, we don't uninstall it actually. Okay, we'll stop it for 2 weeks. We'll stop the instance for 2 weeks, guys. Listen carefully. Why we'll stop the instance for 2 weeks? Okay, once your change is approved, what we are going to do, okay, we'll stop the SQL Server for 2 weeks. Okay, why will stop the SQL Server for 2 weeks, guys? Any idea?
2 weeks is backup time, sir.
Okay, somewhat. Okay, standby kind of thing. Okay, why? Because Madhavi knows that she is using the server. Madhavi don't know who and all using the server completely. Madhavi is very confident. Okay, no one is using the server, but Madhavi might know who is using, who and all not using. Also, she don't know. She don't have any information. Who and all people, what people who like the persons who are using the SQL Server, she don't have any idea. Okay, she knows she is not using. So I'm not using the SQL Server, so I'm okay to proceed with the decommission. But she don't know, she don't have any list who and all using the SQL Server. So what she can do, she will simply raise a change request, or she will simply request SQL DBA team, please uninstall the SQL Server, or please decommission. Decommission or uninstall, both are same. Okay, please decommission the server. Decommission means it is going to completely remove. Commission means creating the machine. Decommission means removing the machine, guys. What is the process to create the Windows Server and SQL Server, guys? What is the process? Usually what process we followed earlier? What process we followed earlier? Just 1 minute, I'll be back. Just 1 minute. Right. Okay. So what is the process we followed, right? For example, if someone is asking, hey, please install the SQL Server, what process will follow, guys? First,
-7 to +7,
that's
checking the
okay.
rules. First install to the Windows Server
Before that,
and VM.
okay, then
Window install to the Windows Server, .NET Framework,
then
then set up ISO files, then
Okay.
set up to the installation of SQL Server.
This is commission, guys. Okay, this is the process for commission. Now tell me, can you tell me what is the process for decommission?
First uninstall the SQL Server.
Okay. Decommission, guys. Reverse order, guys. Reverse order. Okay. First, for which application this machine was commissioned, you have to remove that application first. You have to go in a reverse order. First, uninstall the SQL Server. Okay. So once you just uninstall the SQL Server, hand over this machine to Windows team. Windows team will take care of all these things. Windows team and network team will take care of all these things. Okay. While commissioning, first they will install all these things and they will hand over it to us, right? SQL DBA team. While
Correct.
decommissioning, first we'll uninstall the SQL Server, we'll hand over to Windows team. Hey, we don't want this machine. Please, you can proceed with the decommission process. Okay, then they will delete the machine itself. Here, if you see, while creating, you can see these many machines we have created, right? Once everything is done, what they are going to do, they will simply remove the machine. Of course, before removing, they will uninstall, guys. Before removing, they will uninstall. Okay, remove, then delete all files, like that it will be removed. Okay, but before removing, they will uninstall the Windows server also. They will uninstall the Windows server. Then completely they will decommission the machine, guys. This is called decommission and commission. Okay, but before uninstalling, we don't uninstall immediately. If Madhavi raised a request, please uninstall the SQL Server. Madhavi is only using the team, only using the SQL Server. That's why Madhavi is confidently saying we don't need this instance. What if some other people also using the same instance? If Madhavi doesn't have that information, if Madhavi said if we delete the instance, if other people tomorrow, if he comes, hey, I'm unable to connect to my database, how we are going to fix that issue? So to avoid all these things, we'll stop the instance. We'll stop the instance for 2 weeks. In case if any connection issues are there, okay, in case if any connection issues are there, other than Madhavi, if some other people are using this instance, they will try to connect to the server, right? If we stop the instance, they can't connect, right? They will immediately get back to the DBA team, or they will raise a request, or they will raise an incident. We are unable to connect to our database. Then we'll troubleshoot it, why we are unable to connect. Then we can came to know, okay, chalo, these people are using these instances. So then again, there is a chance to start the instance. If you uninstall immediately, once you got the request from Madhavi, if you uninstall immediately, can you recover it again? Is it possible?
No, sir.
Not possible, right? So what is the safest method, guys? Once you got uninstallation request or decommission request, raise a change request. Once it is approved, then stop the instance for 2 weeks. If there are no complaints in these 2 weeks, okay, you can send an email to the team, application team. We don't receive any complaints on this, so we are committing to remove the SQL Server, and then you can uninstall the SQL Server. Some people will follow like this. Some people will stop the instance for 2 weeks. If there are no concerns, no reviews, no complaints, they will directly hand over this machine to the Windows team. So Windows team, anyhow, Windows team is uninstalling the OS. So if they're uninstalling the OS, all the applications will be uninstalled, right? So again, no need to explicitly uninstall the SQL Server, guys. Got the point? People will follow different strategies. Some people will uninstall the SQL Server after 2 weeks and they will hand over it to Windows team. Some people stop the instance for 2 weeks. If there are no complaints, they will directly hand over without removing the SQL Server. They will directly hand over the machine to the Windows team. Windows team will remove all the softwares before uninstalling the OS. So they are going to uninstall the OS and then they are going to remove the VM from the particular VM manager, guys. This is the process for uninstalling the SQL Server. Okay. So this is the process, but how to uninstall the SQL Server? Technically, how to uninstall the SQL Server, guys?
Sir, go to control panel.
Okay. What? Service account?
No. Go to control panel.
Okay, services.msc. Okay. Is it possible? Can we remove from services.msc?
No.
Okay.
app.cpl
to remove anything
panel.
where we have used the shortcut for the first time.
First patching.
During patching, we used the shortcut. app.cpl is the shortcut for add or remove programs. Okay, go to this. Which instance? Okay, just first of all, please make sure which instance you want to remove. So in this case, I have 4 instances, guys. Removing instance is a downtime activity. Why? Because you have to restart the Windows server before and after removing the instance. So it's a downtime activity, guys. So make sure first decide which instance I want to remove. Okay, I want to remove this batch 40 instance. Chalo, I want to remove this batch 40 instance. So now I have 4 instances: batch 40, batch 41 upgrade demo, default instance, batch 40 agent. This is batch 40 agent. What about others? Batch 42. Just now I installed. Let me refresh it. Okay. Right click, refresh. Done. Okay. Now you got the batch 42 upgrade demo. Okay. This is our instance. So let's remove this batch 40 instance, guys. Go to appwich.cpl, add or remove programs. Now you can see here, you can see only SQL Server, guys. You don't see batch 42 or batch 40 upgrade demo. You don't see any instance names in the control panel. You can only see Microsoft. Please mute it, guys. Please mute it. Okay. Right, done. Okay, so you don't see any other instances in the control panel. Okay, see, we have batch 40, batch 42 upgrade demo in default instance, batch 42 upgrade demo. You can see a lot of instances, right? But you don't see anything in the control panel. You can only see 2017 components. These are all 2017 components. Tell me, guys, which instance, on which component I have to click? I have to uninstall. Which component I have to uninstall?
Sir, Microsoft SQL Server 2017 64-bit.
That's it, guys. Don't go for any other things. You can see 2017 3 components are there: setup, English, and SQL, T-SQL language series. These are all the shared components, these two. This is the main component. Double click on it. Okay. And again, guys, before uninstalling, here you can see other instances also there, right? Make sure you took the proper approvals from other instances also. We have 4 instances. Okay, Madhavi can control all the 4 instances, or might be some other persons also can control all these 4 instances. So before removing, as you are going to restart the Windows server, take the proper approval that we are removing one instance which needs reboot of the server. So reboot means downtime activity. So once all the people are agreed, then only proceed for the uninstallation, guys. Of course, you are not touching the other instances, but you will reboot the Windows server, right? If you reboot the Windows server, all these instances will be down, right? So you have to take the proper approvals from all these instance owners also. Okay, done. Chalo. Now, once you just clicked on this SQL Server, okay, Microsoft SQL Server 2017 64-bit, right? Let me close this 64-bit. Okay, double click on it. You will see 3 options: add, remove, repair, guys. What option I have to select now? Add or remove, repair. Of course, remove. Okay, so just select this option. Now you will get a chance to select the instance, which instance you want me to remove. Then select the instance, which instance you don't want. Then proceed next, and uninstall. Okay, uninstallation is very easy, guys, but the process is, you have to follow the process. That is very important. Here you can see which instance features I have to remove. Okay, so drop down, BH42 upgrade demo. Okay, why I'm getting this one? 2017. Okay, done. Okay, so let me cancel this, guys. I'll tell you why I'm getting this one, guys. Batch 42 upgrade demo. Actually, I just installed this batch 42 upgrade demo just now, 1 hour back, for the demo purpose. Why I can see only this instance only, batch 42 upgrade demo. Why not other 3 instances? You can see the answer is there on your screen itself.
2017 instant only.
Very good. Okay, so here I have 3 instances which is running with the 2019. These 3 are default instance, batch 40, batch 41 upgrade demo. These 3 are running on 2019, but I am trying to uninstall 2017. I have only one instance with 2017. These are shared components. You can leave it. Okay, I have only one instance, batch 42 upgrade demo, batch 42 upgrade demo. I don't see other instance to remove. Okay, so that's why as I just clicked on 2017, so that's why I'm unable to remove only that particular instance. I want to remove this instance, batch 40, which is 2019, running on 2019, right? So what I have to do, cancel it. Click yes. Okay, now what I have to do, tell me, guys.
19 Microsoft SQL Server
That's it, okay.
2019 setup 64-bit.
not set up. Okay, just 64-bit. Microsoft SQL Server
Yes.
2019 64-bit. Double click on it, guys. Now you can see other 3 instances. Click on remove.
Sir, repair which are using which cases?
Repair if system databases are having issues, like if system databases are corrupted and all, you can use the repair option. Master
So
database
that
is
time,
corrupted, you can use repair option.
that time system database is to be rebuilded or recreated.
Rebuilded. It will be rebuilded.
Rebuild.
Hmm.
Okay, rebuild.
Yeah.
Sir, rebuilded it means that existing databases is drop out then recreated, yeah, something else.
It will try to see again. It depends upon the corruption scenarios. If it is partially corrupted, then it will repair it. Okay, whatever issues are there, small things are there, it is trying to repair it. If completely fully corrupted, then it will completely rebuild it, delete the database, and it will recreate it. Okay, done. Now you can see, right, instance remove. Okay, which instance I want to remove, guys? We have already decided one instance, batch 40 I want to remove. Select the instance now. Okay, now you can see which instance you want to remove. Why? Because earlier I opened 2017, batch 40 not belongs to 2017. So that's why I don't see batch 40 in the 2017 list. As it belongs to 2019, so I just opened 2019 setup file. So I can see batch 40 instance. I just selected my batch 40 instance. Next, uninstall. That's it, guys. Okay. So what features you want to uninstall, guys? As some other instances also there in this machine, don't touch the shared features. Okay. Only remove specific features, guys. Why? Because people are using. Okay. For example, you are changing the PG. If you are changing the PG, you will take your own goods. You don't take washing machine, or you don't take the fridge, or you don't TV. Yes, please. Please, guys, please mute it. Guys, okay. So when you're changing the PG, you will simply take your goods and you will take out the goods which belongs to you especially, and you will go with those, okay, goods and all, personal belongings. Okay, but you don't take the fridge, you don't take the washing machine, you don't take the TV. Those are the shared features. Okay, you cannot take it. So in the same way, as other instances also using these features, we have other instances also, those are using these features. So I don't touch the shared features, I'll simply remove the specific features. Okay, so next, guys, please reconnect. Okay, it is showing 1 minute. Please reconnect with the same link, guys.